Alright, I got a triple pop. See what's gonna happen in the wheel. Give me mini, minor, major, or 8 coins. Mini, minor, major, 8 coins. 6 coins. That's good enough. That's good.
Extra spins and 6 more coins.
Alright, come on, man. Give me a good bonus. Let's get a good bonus with triple pop. Big coins. Not 25. There you go. Not 25. We gotta get the birds. Birds, birds. The bottom's gonna fill up already. That's crazy. I got 3 more spots. That was quick. Give me a mini or minor. Give me a mini or minor. Wow, there you go. 2 more at the bottom. 2 more at the bottom. Come on, man. Wow. 1 more up top. I need to get saved up top, man. 1 more up top. Last spin. 1 more. Drop it. Yes. Oh, I got saved. I got saved, man. Yes, there you go. More coins. More coins and birds. And only got 2 spots at the bottom. Save me at the bottom. 1 more. Come on. At least I'll get over 100. I gotta get saved. I gotta get saved. Save me. 1 more. Wow. I guess it's an alright bonus for a triple pop. But it's not so good. At least I'll get over 100. Yes, that's good. Good. Let's go for a back-to-back.